Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to see how to make terrazzo like coasters using resin. Let's get started. Terrazzo is a composite material which can be poured and is usually used in floors and wall treatments. So it basically consists of tiles which have chips of quartz, marble, or glass that is embedded in it. So we are going to try and replicate that in resin. The technique is very simple. The most important thing here is the chips. So today I am actually taking some leftover resin and just cutting them into small sizes. You can make your own resin chips too. Just take a little bit of resin, mix any color resin pigment, and then just pour it over a parchment paper or a silicone mat and spread it so that it's a little bit thin, and then allow it to fully cure. Once it's cured, just remove it, cut them into smaller sizes, different shapes, and you can use them as embellishments in different projects. So instead of resin, you can also use chips made of clay or acrylic or any other that you can get from your resin art supplier. So I'm making a small round coaster. So I've taken a few resin chips, and just to make it heavy, I'm mixing it with a little bit of clear resin. Next I'm taking resin for my background or base color, which is going to be off-white. So I don't have an off-white pigment, so white mixed with just a hint of sand color. Okay, so I'm putting my base or background color first, and followed by the resin chips, and then pressing them gently down so that it goes to the bottom. So the chips should look like they are embedded in it, in the in your base color. So that's why I put them together. So if your resin chips are heavy, it will sink to the bottom. If not, you just put your base color, put the resin chips, allow it to cure halfway through, and then come back and put the remaining base color after about 6 to 8 hours once it's half cured, which is what I've done. So once it's cured, this is how it looks. As you can see, the chips look embedded, which is how it should be. So let's do another one with a black color background. Same process. So ideally these coasters are of matte finish, but these are resin after all, so I'm gonna just sand this black one a little bit and pour a clear coat of resin just to give it a shiny look. Okay, finally another one, but I'm gonna reverse the process here. So I've put the base color first, which is brown, followed by the resin chips. So as you can see, you feel as though there is the chips are in a separate layer. So which one do you like, guys, out of the three? Let me know in the comments down below. So this was a fun little project to do, very simple and cute, so do try it out. So I saw this art on the Instagram profile Crystal Low Art. She makes some amazing coasters, terrazzo like coasters. Do check out her profile on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.